people. So this is my 10th and final video of the day, and every time I have to record my final video, I don't know why I smile so much. I mean, I enjoy the process of video recording, but still I don't know, I just feel happy once I've completed 10 videos. And so I missed out quite a few days of not recording, and I'll tell you why. It was because I just got conscious. Yeah, I just felt like, oh my god, so many people are going to watch. I need to be talking sense. I need to look very nice. Rubbish. So this is, I have to say this, people. Whatever I'm recording right now, like this is basically blogging, video recording, video, yeah, whatever, vlogging. So that's what I do, and it's only 51 seconds. No, it's going to be 1 minute. So that's what. So people, I just wanted to clarify that I'll of course speak on sensible topics, but and see, even as I'm recording, I'm holding this thing, the power bank, because my phone is running out of charge. So so please excuse me that I didn't record for so many days, and it's okay, I'll record now and make up for all those missing days. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.